My Jalu Pants hit 4.7 million views. Now, let's make the full pattern together. By the way, I got this roll paper at the hardware store. Draw the trouser box. Make it 18 inches width by your desired pant length plus 3 inches. This time, I'm making a full-length version, so mine is 40 inches long. The length totally depends on your height and preference. Draw the crotch line. It's usually 7 to 12 inches down from the waist. I choose 11 inches. From there, extend the line 3 inches out to mark the crotch point. Draw the hip line. Measure 8 inches down from the waist and draw a line. Now, connect the hip line to the crotch point. Draw the line like this and divide the line into 3 equal parts. Using your curve ruler, connect the waistline, passing through the 1/3 mark and end at the crotch point. From the crotch point, draw a smooth curve down to the inseam pant line. This will shape the inner leg seam. My drawing here isn't super smooth, but don't worry. When you make the actual full-size pattern, it looks much better. Now, I will show you the real one. Draw the waistband. Make it 18 inches width and 3.5 inches long. Don't forget to label your pattern pieces. Then, add the green line marks so you will know how to place them on fabric. For the straps, I used the same ones from the Jalu skirt. Cut them 2 inches wide by 4 inches long. The last piece is the pockets, cut 7 inches by 12. You did a great job following along. Next time, let's sew the Jalu pants together. Make sure to prepare at least 2.5 yards of fabric before we start.